Welcome to the final chapter of Always Be Closing. If you've made it this far, congratulations. You now have the tools, mindset, and techniques to become an unstoppable closer. But the journey doesn't end here. Mastery is about repetition, refinement, and taking action every single day. The best closers never stop learning, never stop adapting, and never stop closing. Today, we're going to bring everything together and talk about what it truly means to embody the always be closing mentality in every aspect of your life. This isn't just about sales, it's about winning in business, relationships, and everything you do. The principles of closing are universal, and once you fully internalize them, you'll see success everywhere. Let's dive in. The closing mindset for life. The always be closing philosophy isn't just a sales technique, it's a way of life. Every conversation, every opportunity, every interaction is a chance to move toward your goals. Whether you're negotiating a deal, networking, or even making personal decisions, you should always be moving people toward a conclusion that benefits both of you. That's what great closers do. You've learned how to open with authority and confidence, close in every sentence, handle objections effortlessly, build urgency and scarcity, follow up with persistence, close under pressure. But now let's talk about something even bigger, how to turn closing into a lifestyle. Closing every day. Sales is not just about transactions, it's about influence. The ability to close doesn't stop at the end of a call or a meeting. It extends into your personal life, your career growth, and your ambitions. The best closers see life as one big negotiation, where every interaction is a chance to advance. Want a raise? Close your boss on why you deserve it. Want a new business opportunity? Close a partner or investor on the idea. Want to improve your relationships? Close on better communication and trust. When you make closing a part of who you are, you stop waiting for opportunities. You create them. The final close. Commit to action. Here's my last close for you. Are you ready to take your sales career, your business, and your life to the next level? Because everything you need is already within you. The knowledge, the tactics, and the confidence, it's all here. But knowledge without action is useless. You have to execute. So my question to you is, are you going to apply what you've learned? Are you going to take control of your future? Are you going to become the best closer in your industry? Say yes. Say it out loud. Say it right now. Yes. And then go prove it. Final call to action. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss future content on sales, business, and personal growth. Support entrepreneurs with disabilities. Many entrepreneurs with disabilities face challenges getting funding. Enable Capital Partners helps them turn their business dreams into reality when traditional lenders say no. Make a difference by donating www.enablecapitalpartners.com. Thank you for being part of this journey. Keep closing, keep winning, and I'll see you at the top.